again. Uh, I hope this time around the message section will just stay for us. Though we are not going to spend much time here right now, but I'm just going to look for a very nice trade. We're going to look for the best trades we can find. Okay, this is a fair value gap. We can take this other block. You see this old OG here is another block. So we treat this as another block here. We're going to take the trade. So the first thing, when you identify another block, the first thing you want to do is to go into the lower time frame and find the entry inside the other block. So it's M5 other block. We're going into the lower time frame, okay, to look for a good entry. We'll check S30. Okay, there's one up here, but let me just check S15 before I mark that one. Okay, there's an entry down here in S15. We're going to mark it. So we'll mark that S30 entry also. Those are the two ones we'll mark. It's nice to have you here, guys. Thank you for joining again. I had to reset my internet to make sure that let's go back to S30. Let's set that. Okay, fine. That's good. All right. Thank you so much for joining, guys. I really appreciate the fact that you're here one more time. And now that you're here, please go ahead and click the like button and send a hi in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out. So let's just go ahead, send a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out. Let's recognize your presence. Okay, you understand? We're all here hanging out. So okay, fine. Thank you so much for joining. So if you're in, just say hi in the comment section. I hope the comment section is still working because I had to refresh my internet just to make sure that the comment thing is still working. So let's go ahead, send me a hi in the comment section. Let's make sure the comment section is working. I saw it work just now, so it's gonna be somehow if it doesn't work again. But thank you so much for watching, for joining. I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna take a trade here. We have another block here. I'm gonna take a trade here. If it comes here, I'll take one more too. So it's gonna be a good one. Okay, let me check that. You remember that QM we wanted to take the other time? The QM has not happened, so we'll keep waiting for it. Sometimes when it comes to M5 trades, you can wait for a long time, but most of the trades are reliable. We have a ranging market here. The market is ranging. Though, you know what? Let's take some risky trades here. Though I don't advise you guys taking risky trades, guys. If you see that you trade risky, don't take it. The reason why I call it risky is because the price could push to the downside, like the seller could take over the market at any time. But right now it's looking like a mini basic market structure pattern. So we can take this trade. If price goes up, we can go with the sellers. If price comes down, we can go with the buyers. I want to take this common point of rejection trade, but I need it to go above that round number and touch the common point of rejection. Then we'll take the trade. So it needs to come here. It needs to come up to this place. Then I'll take the trade to the downside. Now, if it comes down here under this round number, this is 0.98800, I'll take the trade. But those are the two conditions I can take the trade, because the trade is risky already as it is. We're making this red green pattern, this green, red, green, red, green. We're expecting a red candle, yes, but these are the safest areas. The up and down here, they are the safest places where you can take the trade. So let's just wait for it and see. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Please send hi in the comment section if you are in the live. I had to refresh my internet the other time just to make sure that the comment section works this time. If it doesn't work, I'm sorry. If the comment section doesn't work, I'm sorry. I tried. I really tried. Sometimes it might be fault from YouTube too. Because I really tried to see if it works, and it worked for a brief moment just now. But sometimes it's they just do anyhow sometimes. So I'm expecting it to come here, then I'll take the trade. Above that round number, just around that common point of rejection. Usually if it goes there, then it will pull back. That's what I'm expecting. It's late now. I can't take the trade again. It's already late. I can't take the trade again. But if it comes down to this area, I can go with the buyers because we have a gap down. We may have a push to the upside. So if price comes down here to this round number, I can take a trade to the upside. I really want to go with the buyers, but I need, this is where the entry is. Like the safest place to take the trade is down here under this round number. I can't take it here in the middle here. I can't. It has to be down. Yes, thank you so much for joining, guys. Hey, it's working now. John Akachi, thank you so much for joining. Hey, the comment section is working. Thank God. Thank God it's working now. Victor, thank you so much for coming. I hope you are feeling great today. Yes, please keep sending the messages. Thank you so much. And let's click the like button too. You understand? Let's have that like button. You understand? Let's set that like button on fire with our clicks. Thank you so much for doing that. Yes, let's set it on fire. Yes, correct. Haha. Real Joey, how are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Joey. Thank you so much. I really love the fact that you're here too. You know, it's so nice. Thank you so much. Yes. I don't want to miss the buy. I'm glad you're good. Thank you so much. Hey, Atia, thank you so much. Kelvin, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Hope you're feeling great today. Yes. No, you didn't come late at all. You are right on time. We've been here for a while, but the network keeps, especially the comment section keeps doing anyhow. So I had to keep refreshing the live. I feel like going with the sellers when it gets above that round number. Yes, I'm expecting a pullback from here, but I think my entry is not exactly where I want it to be. The entry is not exactly where I want it to be, but no problem. Yes, Kelvin, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Yes, guys, let's click that like button. You understand? Because when we click that like button like that, it's going to help everybody. It's going to help the rest of our friends to know that we are online, so they will be able to join us. You understand? I was expecting a pullback. Let me see. I know we should have a nice pullback somewhere here. But if it doesn't happen, no problem. It's probably they've decided to do a breakout. But I'm still kind of expecting that pullback because um, there's several ways we can draw this common point of rejection. We can also draw it like this. You understand? And this will be a very good entry. So, you know, there should be a very good, nice pullback. Okay, why am I expecting a pullback, right? Now, let me explain. You see, if you look at this area, this is a common point of rejection. This is a ranging market. We have common point of rejection up. We have another one down. You can see all these areas where price has rejected. You understand? If price comes to this area too, they can still reject to the downside, especially if we have a round number around it. You understand? So that's the reason why I'm expecting a pullback. You understand? Because we've had a lot of pullbacks in this kind of on this level. We may have another one on this trend line. Look at it. So we may have another one again happen. And usually when price has left a particular level and comes back again, you usually have that pullback the first time, then the other times then it will start it might decide to break later. So that's why I'm expecting that pullback. Actually, this pullback should come under this round number here. There's a round number here. I'm expecting it to come under it. Hey, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Catholic Pekin. Okay. Yes, thank you so much for joining. So the one with the bad entry did not work, but the one with the good entry worked. Yeah, if we blow this account, do we have a backup? Yes, there's a backup actually. This is not my real account. This is my demo account. That's what I'm using to practice. You understand? So anytime I'm teaching like that, I use I use either the tournament account or my demo account. Now, if I'm trading real account, I'm going to announce it and let you know that I'm actually trading my real account. Now, if you want to watch my real trades, I have a playlist in the YouTube channel on the YouTube channel. It's called Live Trade Sessions. Yeah, those all the trades inside that live trade session, they are my real trades. You can go and check it. Those are the ones I use to explain all these concepts, common point of rejection, doji trade, and the rest. Which time frame are you using? I'm using. Hey, nice to have you here, Namshak Dauda. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. This is a demo account, not demon account. It's demo. You're very funny. No, it's not demon account. It's demo account. Oh man, some of you are just so funny. No, it's demo account, not demon account. Yes, real Joey. You're laughing too. I'm wondering, though. So let's check for another opportunity quickly. We've been checking the market since, and we have some setups that we've set. Oh, we missed this trade. Can you imagine? Oh, this I was waiting for this trade for a long time. And look at this now. It worked out exactly. It worked out exactly the way we wanted. Look at this. We would have taken the trade right here and it would have pulled back and given us a winning trade. Come on, come on. I've been waiting. It's a QM trade though. I've been waiting for this trade for more than 25 minutes. Yes, it's a platform. It's called a pocket option platform. You understand? If you are new to, if you want to register for the platform, I have the link in the description below. It's called broker link. It's the broker. So if you click on the broker, it will take you straight to the platform where you will register. So just click on the link, go to the platform. Once you register for you register, um and you've done your verification, you can come back to this YouTube channel, and there's a playlist for the beginners. Actually, it's called about 16 videos inside the playlist. Watch all the videos in the playlist. It will give you all the foundational knowledge you need. Then you see, when you register, they'll give you a demo account. You see that demo account you can use to practice. Come back here, learn all the this that you need to learn, all the concepts. You understand? If you check that live trade session playlist, you see all the concepts there. You understand? In fact, you see all the playlist section, just check through them. You can watch any of them. You understand? I put all the concepts inside all those playlists. Just check it. You will be able to like learn about all the concepts. Now, if you are the type that don't have time and you want me to teach you one on one, you understand? Join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? So if you join the Barter-Pro mentorship, I'll be able to take you all the concepts one after the other, the foundational knowledge, everything. I'll hold your hand. We would go through it one after the other like that. You understand? I'll teach you on a personal basis, just me and you. You get the gist. If you have any questions, you ask me, I'll answer you like that, like that. You understand? So the link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is the Telegram channel in the description below. You see the Telegram channel. So if you click that Telegram channel now, inside the Telegram channel, you see Barter-Pro mentorship, the tag. Just click on it and send me a message straight. So I'll be there to reply you. Then we'll discuss about your mentorship and all that. You understand? And if you are new here, I really appreciate if you can. I really appreciate if you can. Sellers. Let's go with sellers. Let's take our chances with the sellers because we have this thing here. So, so if you are new here, please go ahead and click the um we would discuss that when you send me a message. I've been told not to discuss that here again. I've discussed that in time past, but I've been told not to discuss that here again. So if you are interested, just send me a message. We will discuss it. Okay? Yeah, we'll discuss it. That would be nice. You understand? So if you are new here, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. If you look at that subscriber count, you can see that we're very close. This is your opportunity to become one of the first 1,000 Barter-Pro subscribers on YouTube. So don't miss it. You understand? If you say you will do it tomorrow, we by tomorrow we probably might be at 1,000. So don't let your position be 1,001 when you can be one of the first strong 1,000. You understand? So just click the subscribe button now. Yes, go ahead and click the subscribe button now. The reason why I went to the sellers here is because you see this area is a supply area. This is a trade we wanted to take before. It's a QM trade. Look at it. We have this ABC to the upside, push to the downside. You can see. So when we got here, we've marked this entry that if price comes into this entry, we will take the trade. But you can see there's a rejection in that area now. You understand? Now you see the second candle is a sign of reversal. That's why I'm going with the sellers. So I'm expecting a red candle already. So we'll come back to check up on that. We have 3 minutes and 14 seconds left. Let's check this one too. Okay, we can take this trade. We can take this trade as a common point of rejection. You remember that common point of rejection I spoke about the other time? We can take that trade too. This is why desktop mode is better than mobile. You can yeah, you can set notification on. Yes, you're very correct. Yes, you can set notification, and I actually I actually have a laptop that I used to trade, but the thing there is I enjoy trading on my phone. You understand? That's the major reason why you see me use my phone most of the time. I really enjoy trading on the phone. You understand? And another thing is that um it's very like you can trade anywhere with with your phone. You get it. So the flexibility is just there. But really, if you're on desktop, you can set notifications so that you don't miss any of your any of the trades. You understand? But what I do is I mark it as a favorite. Then I keep an eye on it. You understand? Hey Gemward, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Sorry, I didn't read your message. You said you were begging me to do something. That was very funny. Setup, okay. Oh, okay. You want me to announce the setup? Okay, no, let's do that quickly. The time frame we're trading is M5, and the trade time is also M5. You understand? It's nice to have you here, Gemward. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. And Gemworld is the OG of this channel. I will keep saying it. You understand? Sometimes she doesn't want me to announce her like that. But the thing is, she's been one of the biggest supporters of this channel. So thank you so much, Gemworld. I really appreciate. You understand? And if you like to support the channel, you can make use of the you can make use of the super chat, the super thanks, and the super stickers. You know that sign, that dollar sign at the right hand side of the comment section when you're about to type. That's the one I'm talking about. You can make use of it, and thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I will be the second best supporter. Yes, so please go ahead. I beg. You understand? No, we are going to have plenty supporters. Definitely, we are going to have a lot of supporters, just like Gemworld. Gemworld has been making things happen sincerely. So anytime she comes now, I always give her the recognition. She deserves it. So thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate. Oh, we have the two trades now. They are in profit. That's good. Yeah, that's good. The two trades are in profit. So now let me explain this trade quickly. Then I'll explain the other one. Look at this one now. We have a basic market structure here. You understand? And down here we have this common point of rejection. You can see. Let me zoom in. Rejection, 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 rejection. So I expect that if price comes here one more time, we can have another rejection to the upside. So that's exactly the rationale behind that trade. Yes, exactly. We can just take multiple positions and just especially if we've been waiting on it for a while. So now let me explain the other one quickly. This other one. Look at this. We have a QM here and we marked the entry since. So we marked the entry since, but eventually we missed this trade, this QM trade. We missed it. But immediately this second candle happened. You see this candle, anytime you see a candle like this is a this is a spinning candle. Anytime you see either an inverted hammer candle or a spinning candle in a critical area like this, is the sign of reversal. So if you see this kind of candle in a support area or a demand area, or you see it in a resistance area, no, just know that is a sign of reversal. You understand? Immediately I saw this now, I took this trade. But that's not the only reason. There's this theory called the fifth candle theory. Anytime you see market move like this, like look at this green candles, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth candle is usually divergent. So we're expecting a red candle, like an opposite candle, a divergent to what we have already. So you can see the first three candles give us good, strong, bullish candles. But the fourth one is suggesting that we can have a retracement. You understand? Coupled with the fact that we're in a supply area. You understand? Thank you, Victor. Coupled with the fact that we're in a supply area, you can see. So we're taking this trade with the sellers, and that's the reason why we won the trade. You get the gist. So let's find some other good opportunities in the markets. Okay, fine. I remember we're waiting for this trade since. Let me read your message quickly. How are we going to know when the next you come on? You have to enable your notification. You have to enable your YouTube notification. If you enable it, anytime I'm online, YouTube will send you a notification. You understand? Then, hey, Hadeniji, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Yes, I'm on the demo account currently. That's the one I'm using to explain right now. Yes. So also if you're part of the Telegram channel, I always put it on the Telegram channel anytime I'm coming online. So yes, just enable the note, like beside that subscribe button. You know that there's a subscribe button, then there's a notification button beside the subscribe button. By the way, if you're here to subscribe, please click that subscribe button now. Just go ahead and click it now. So while you are clicking the subscribe button, you can also enable notification too. Just click that notification bell and change it to all, so that anytime I have any notification at all, you get a notification from this side. Yes, it's good to be here. Thank you so much. I'm glad you are here. I'm happy to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, let me read your message quickly. Yes, click all notifications. Yes, you're correct. So once you click all notifications now, anytime I'm online, you will see the notification immediately on your side. Immediately I come online, you get the notification. Then you'll be able to like join in. And if you're part of the Telegram channel, the link is in the description. I always announce it too. When we're about going, I always announce it 15 minutes before I go online on Telegram channel. So everybody knows already that we're going live. I'm waiting for this entry, but let me check the others quickly. Oh, we have another entry up here. You see that this common point of rejection I'm talking about, around this round number, we can take another one here. If it comes above this round number, it's a good opportunity. It's a very good opportunity. Let me check this one quickly. We cannot take a trade over there. I'm waiting for this entry. Let me refresh this. Okay, good. Okay. If price still comes here, I can still take another trade. And if it comes down under this round number, I can still go with the buyers. But it's a little bit dicey, but I can still do it. I'll go with the buyers. This round number 0.9999,000. We can go with the buyers, but we have to leverage this round number. There's a round number down here. We have to leverage it. So if price comes under that round number, we can take the trade. And also, not just the round number now. Okay, let's take the trade first, then I'll show you. Not just the round number now, but there is an overlapping level here. Let me show you. There's an overlapping level here, so you can see inside the overlapping level you have buyers. Though the buyers have been taken once, like they've rejected the price once, but we can still take advantage of it because we have round number there, and we still have common point of rejection. You can see. So let's just wait and see. If price comes above this round number, I'll go with the sellers here. So let's wait and see. We'll get ready. I'm taking the trade now. I'm waiting for that round number. Oh, the sellers are already pulling back. I know we have sellers there, but above that round number will be the best. Yes, that round number will be the best place to take the trade. That's good. So we have 2 minutes and 32 seconds. We'll wait for it. I'm kind of expecting a red candle though. Why? Because number one, we have morning star pattern. So morning star pattern usually gives us a retracement of a red candle. You understand? And we have common point of rejection at the top here. So that's another reason to go with the sellers. Now we have round number. Round number works as support and resistance sometimes. So these are the reasons why I'm taking the trade. And we have gap up in favor of the sellers. So how can we know when to use 3 minutes or 5 minutes? No, you can just choose. You can, like, if you don't have patience to wait, use 1 minute. I usually will not even advise people to use 3 minutes. Why? Because sometimes it's very hard to set the trade time for 3 minutes. So is either use 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Yes. So you can use 1 minute, you can use 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You understand? So 15 minutes is a lot, is a lot of stretch. But if you have the patience to wait, the higher the time frame, the better the structure of the market, the more solid the support and supply and demand areas are. I don't want this price to go up again. You should give us a red candle now. Why is it? We have a gap up in favor of the sellers, so we should have a red candle. I don't know why the buyers keep trying to form strong head. Yeah, John Akachi, thank you so much. It's nice to have you here. Okay. I'm expecting a pullback. Thank you so much. Hey, Coquette. Sorry, I couldn't pronounce that name. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you are feeling great today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, we lost that trade, but no problem. We still had a pullback. It just did not come to that entry, but no problem. Let's check that. Hey, Son Francis, thank you so much for joining. Yesterday on stream, you said I must remind you about. Oh, that book. Oh, come on, that book. Yes. It's called Psychology of Trading. But I've forgotten the name of the author. It's Psychology of Trading. The book is available on Amazon. It's Psychology of Trading. Forgotten the name of the author. Yes, I remember the book now. It's Psychology of Trading. You understand? That book is very, very good. Actually, it's very, very, very good. When it comes to, like, you really want to learn how to trade, you understand? The Psychology of Trading is fantastic. It's written by one, I've forgotten the country that man came from. I think it's one Japanese man, like that. Yes, please check it out. It's a very good book. It's a very good book. Yes, it happens sometimes, and nobody should feel bad. Actually, you understand, because sometimes, like I always say, you see, traders don't think in 100% certainty. We think in probabilities. So when we see the highest probability for a trade, we take it. You understand? Now it's a probability, like I said, and sometimes you might have probabilities of 80%, sometimes 70%. Sometimes your probability might just be 60 or 65%. Now, the best thing you can do is to combine reasons. Like I always say, when you combine enough reasons, those reasons will help you to increase the probability of your trade. You understand? Like you see this trade that we took now, we're combining common point of rejection, round number. You understand? We had a gap up in favor of the buyers. Those are three good reasons, solid reasons to take a trade. But if it doesn't work out, doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It's exactly what I'm saying. You get the gist. So you take the highest price. Oh, these are our trade. These are opportunity. That's why we should not. We should not take our eyes off this 37 trades today. Successful, no loss. Oh, that's good. That's good. Fantastic. That's very good. Fantastic. But 37 trade is too much. Oh, that's over trading. Don't take 37 trades. You understand? Instead, take 4 to 5 trades. You are better with less trades. You understand? But I'm glad you didn't have any loss. Your win rate must have been amazing. That's very. You see, that's the reason why we 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 um we pay a lot of attention to educating ourselves. You understand? That's the reason why if you see me here trying to like teach people strategies, it's because the education is more important than the money. The money is the side effect. You understand? That balance you see is side effect of taking good trades. If you take very good trades and you win most of your trades, your balance will increase naturally. But that's very good. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad you find it very helpful. I'm glad you found it very helpful. You understand? That's luck. I'm kind of greedy, yes. So, wow, $300 in the day. That's fantastic. That's very good. That's very good. You should keep it up, but don't overtrade again, please. Overtrading is not good. You understand? Yes, I've explained it many times. Well, Brian, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I've explained this several times, and the thing there is, I used to tell you about like when you're in life, there's a lot of distraction that happens. You understand? Oh, you won all your 5 trades. That's good, John. Wow, that's amazing. Now, there's a lot of distraction when you're in the market like this, and you have to like keep up with people, making sure that everybody is okay. You understand? You see all that distraction here and there. I will pay attention to your class and bring testimony too. Thank you so much. Don't worry. See, guys, these strategies work. Forget that I'm practicing in front of you. You understand? These strategies work. But you want copy trade. I don't do copy trade. I don't do copy trades. See, I can educate you, I can teach you, but I don't do copy trades. Hey, cinematist, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Sorry, I couldn't read your message. Please resend it. You understand? I don't do copy trades. You understand? So if it's copy trade you want, I don't do that. I was still saying it yesterday that you see all these signal channels. You understand? You cannot make money on trading by doing that. But see, I'm telling you, you can do this. Just learn it. You can see all the testimonies that is happening right now. You understand? They are taking the same strategies I'm showing them here. They are putting it to work. They are practicing it, and they are making money. Somebody made $300 today. You understand? You can do that. You can do the same too. Yeah, I'm from Nigeria. You understand? And the thing, guys, and let me give you the gist. If you want me to teach you one on one, you understand? Join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? Yes, exactly. You get the gist. Yeah, it's better to teach people how to fish than to give them fish. You understand? So if you want me to teach you one on one, hey, that makes FX. Thank you so much for joining. Sorry, I can't read. I missed that message. Please resend it, Dammy. Resend it, please. I would like to read your message. So the thing there is, these strategies work. You understand? If you want me to teach you one on one, see, not everybody would understand through videos, through online, like that. If you want that one on one mentorship, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. You understand? That's where I teach my students one on one. You understand? Live. I teach them one on one like that. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You understand? I'll break it down for you. You understand? Please just come in. Can you recap the strategy? No problem. I'll recap the strategy. The last trade we took. Let me show you. This is it. Okay. Let me show you the other one before this. This is the one. Now look at this trade. Now we have a uh you can join, the Barter-Pro mentorship. Yeah, the link to join is in the. Clesley, how are you? It's nice to have you here. The link to join the Barter-Pro mentorship is in the description below. You understand? It's a Telegram channel link. If you click the Telegram channel link, it will take you to Telegram, like our group on Telegram. Now inside the group, you will see this tag. It's Barter-Pro mentorship, at Barter-Pro mentor. Just click on it. It will bring you directly to where you will chat me directly. So you just send me a message and we will discuss about your mentorship. You understand? It's very, very easy. It doesn't take long. You understand? Now, one advantage of you having a mentor is that it cuts your learning curve in half. If you are meant to use maybe 2 years to learn, you understand? It's going to cut your learning curve to like 6 months. Why? Because all the mistakes you're about to make. Hey, vertical integration, thank you so much for joining. Send me a message on Telegram. We will discuss about it. I've been told not to discuss that here. You understand? Integration. You understand? But if you message me, we are going to discuss it. You understand? So you can just click the Telegram channel link right now and send a message. You understand? For your inquiry, I would give you all the details you need, everything together. You know, at once in one place. Yeah, the Telegram channel link is in the description. I don't want you to go by name because of these people that used to impersonate people. But if you click the direct link, it will take you straight. You understand? You are better off using the link. If I give you the name now, you search for it, you may see like three of the same name. You understand? And if you go and click the wrong one, you understand? There are a lot of scammers nowadays. Please, I don't want you to be scammed. Just click the link. It will take you directly to the one the one I use here. Uh, okay. You did demo 4 months and okay. No, really, really. The thing there is, it's not just a tutorial. Like, if it's just a course, I probably would just be selling courses. But what I do is, it's not just the course. You understand? Now, let me tell you how it goes. You see, the first class is you and I. It's just you and I. We are going to discuss your trading journey. If you've been trading before, if you are new to it and all that, we are going to discuss one on one first. We are going to find your strengths, your weaknesses. Okay, where do you need help? All those things. We are going to personalize your mentorship. Bullet, how are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Thank you so much for joining. You understand? So when we discuss, I should have gone with the sellers, but we have gap down. If price comes above this round number, I'll go with the sellers. If it comes above the round number, we'll go with the sellers. Though we have gap down in favor of the buyers, we shouldn't trade. But don't worry, let's take the risk. If but we need calculated risk here. So let's go, like, if it gets above the distance. So as I was saying, you understand, the Barter-Pro mentorship is a personalized mentorship. You understand? It has to be a mentorship that is tailored to you alone. And that's how I treat all my students. So I personally talk to them. We find out, okay, the areas they need help. Then we begin to build their mentorship based on their need. You understand? So, and everybody is different. Every trader is different. So everybody's going to have different needs. That's the work of a mentor, to help you build your trading capacity. You understand? So over time, you realize that you can stand on your own. You can look at the market and analyze the market. You can tell, okay, this is where the supply is. This is where the demand areas are, and you take your trades with confidence. You understand? You take your trade with confidence. You won't be afraid of taking any trade. Why? Because you know what you are doing. So that's the essence of the Barter-Pro mentorship. So click the Telegram channel link in the description. You know, and send me a message. You understand? I will discuss your everything. Don't worry about it. Okay? Don't worry about it. I've got you covered. And for anybody who is not interested in the Telegram, in the if you are not interested in the mentorship, but you still want to go ahead and learn, I've got you covered. If you're a beginner, there's a playlist section is in the channel on the in our YouTube channel. It's called binary options for beginners. You understand? Watch all the 16 videos inside that area. You understand? How can I identify a change in trend? It's very easy actually. Immediately you see, look at this. There are some, don't worry, I'll tell you, just give me a minute. I'm going to explain that. It might take a while. You understand? So, if you want to join, if you want to just, you're just on the YouTube channel to learn and you're a beginner, there's a playlist section called Binary Options for Beginners. Click on that playlist and all the 16 videos there, watch everything, binge watch everything from beginning to the end. Now if you are done with that, if you don't have an account yet, if you don't have a, now the platform link is in the description. I've tagged it broker link. Click on the broker link. It will take you to the platform. Register there. You understand? You see my practice sessions. I have playlists for practice sessions. I have playlists for live trade sessions where I, like my real account, where I trade on my real account. You see there. You understand? So take all those trades like that. They are there for you to take your trades. You understand? Watch all the strategies. Learn. If you have any question, put in the comment section. I'll reply you. You understand? So I've got everybody covered. It doesn't matter either you have money or not. You understand? I'm here for you. You get the gist. So that's, but the reason why some people need that mentorship is because they need the speed. They cannot wait. They don't have time to learn too long. But they know that if they have someone to like guide them through, they can pick very fast. You understand? It cuts your learning curve in half. You understand? So it doesn't matter either you have money or not. You can still learn from this channel. So there's so much value on this. If you're here to subscribe, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. Don't worry about it. Okay? Don't worry about it at all. I've got you covered. I'm here for you. You understand? Oh, it's a win on your side. That's good. You probably had a very good entry. My entry was above this round number and it did not come down there. You understand? I took this trade because we have this morning star pattern. And usually we should have a red candle after it, but because of it's a close one. Yeah, but because of the gap down, look at this. We have a gap down here. That's why we missed the trade. I shouldn't have gone with the sellers actually, but I was hoping that this round number would act as a resistance. You understand? And give us the red candle. But no problem. It happens like that sometimes, so it's all good. It's all good. Let's look for another opportunity. I've been cycling between these three markets since, so it may be time to like do another analysis. So now let's analyze another market that we've not analyzed since. Let's clear anything. Okay, let's see over here. Now this is a ranging market and it's a basic market structure pattern. If you look at it, let me mark it for you so that you can see it. You see, these are the things that my students know already. So if you don't mind the price, or if you don't mind paying, you understand, it's worth it. Trust me, I know it's worth it. Why? Because any amount you spend is going to USD JPY. Okay, you want us to check that? Okay, don't worry. Let me mark this as a favorite. Let's go to USD JPY. Okay, let's see if we have something here. We have a QM. This looks like a third touch here, but I probably won't take this. It's a very ugly third touch. Okay, it's already played out anyways. And we have a demand down here. You see what I'm talking about now? You understand? Most of my students will look at the market and they can identify things immediately. So the first thing you need to do is just identify where the supply and demands are. So we have a demand area down here. You can see we've not seen the opportunity yet, but we can easily identify things. Now we have a QM up here. So we'll mark the QM because we can take a trade based on this QM. Now, first thing we'll go to higher time frame to find engulf. We can't see the engulf in M15. Let's check M30. Now, this is an engulf technically, but it's not a good engulf, so we are not even going to consider it. You understand? So that QM is not valid. We're not going to take a trade based on it. You get the gist. You get the gist now. This is what I'm talking about. So we can't really take a trade based on this market yet, but don't worry. We have some things marked already. We will keep it as a favorite. Let's go back to that one we're looking at. You see, this kind of market is like bread and butter. You can easily find entries here. So anytime I see markets like this, I'm always very happy. I explained this yesterday that when you see market like this, you can trust both the support areas and the resistant area. You can trust them. Yes, we have common point of rejection, correct. So you can see, you can take common point of rejection trades. You can see it's down here too. Yes, you just started going to my content. Don't worry. You're going to learn a lot. Trust me, there's so much value. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. You see all the look at all the now they are testifying. It's gold, yes. So all the videos on this channel, everything is gold. In fact, I should put a price tag on it. Everybody should pay. Well, talking about paying, you understand? Someone they've told me already. If you would like to support the channel, you are gaining a lot of value from this content. Please support the channel. You understand? Make use of that. You see that dollar sign beside the comment section. That when you're about to type in your comments at the right hand side, click on it. That's the super chat. This you can make your super chat, the super thanks, and the super I've forgotten the other super thing. You understand? Super, I think super emojis or so. You understand? And if you really want to take it up a notch, consider being one of our YouTube members. You understand? Channel members. That would really be amazing. Oh, I should have taken this trade. Hmm. You know what? Let's go with the buyers. Though we should go with the sellers. But because of this push to the upside, we should go with the buyers. Hey Martin, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Martin. I think it's Martin, not Martin. Sorry if I butchered your name. I'm so sorry. I didn't see it very well, but thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. You understand? So we have a lot of testimonies already, and we've just started. Oh, we've just started. Trust me. You guys are still gonna have more testimonies because okay, it's Mata. Oh, Mata, thank you so much. Mata Nabunye. I'm so sorry, but I really like that name. But thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. I'm so glad you're here. Guys, if you're new to the channel, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. I keep saying it. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. This is the opportunity to secure your position as one of the first 1,000 strong Barter-Pro subscribers on YouTube. You understand? Immediately we get past 1,000, your position has shifted. You understand? So don't waste time. Just click that subscribe button now. Yes, I just turned 17. Wow, that's good. I've been studying futures trading for, you understand? Because fund. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, you are new here too, Matan. Mata, thank you so much for joining. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining in. Yes, you see, it doesn't matter if you're 17 or not. These are sound educational materials, you understand? And anybody can join. That's the good thing about it. You understand? I make sure that either you have money or not, you are well taken care of. You understand? I did not hold anything back in all these lectures. So any video you see on the channel, watch it from begin to the end. You understand? All the information are very valuable. I put it there for you. Blessing, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Oh, you are new here too. Wow, that's good. Oh, now let me quick tell you. See, all the new guys, I have something for you. There's a play. If you go to the playlist section in this channel now, you see binary options for beginners. Click on it and watch all the videos inside that. Don't rush, cool down, and learn advice from newbies. Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much. I already put my bro. Yeah, it talk say learn banner. so so as I was saying, I have something for all the new guys. There's a playlist section in the YouTube channel. Go there. It's called binary option for beginners. Click on that video and watch all the 16 videos. You understand? I'm still going to add more to the videos, so don't worry. If it's more than 16, just watch it. Now if you are yet to register for the platform, yes, it's a resistant break. Yes, you're correct. Betune ground staff. Yes, sorry, I missed that last message. Yes. So as I was saying, watch all the this thing. Let's You understand? Yeah, thank you so much, Gemworld. Yes. So guys, you understand? Gemworld is recruiting everybody to come and support the channel. There's so much value. You understand? So if you are gaining value, just go ahead and support the channel. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you, Gemworld. Thank you so much. Now, the thing there is, as for all the beginners. So if you are here to register, I have the platform link. It's in the description below. You understand? It's in the description below, the platform link. Click on the platform link and it will take you to the platform. I've tagged the broker link. So you see the broker link. Click on it. It will take you to the platform. Register for the platform. Then come back. They will give you a demo account that you used to practice. Now come back here and watch all the videos. Now once you finish that 16 the beginner video, then go back into that playlist. You see live trade sessions. Watch all the live trade sessions. Yes, watch everything. Those are my personal live trade sessions, like my real account that I used to like explain all the strategies I'm talking about here. You understand? It's going to help you. It's going to help you. So go ahead and do that right now. You understand? It's really going to help you. If you're here to subscribe, just click the subscribe button. You understand? There's so much value on this channel. Trust me. Okay. Let's look for another opportunity. Or let me see. Okay, we can still spare some few minutes. We still have some few minutes to spare before we call it a day. We still have some few minutes to spare. Oh, thank you. Guys, Gemworld has done it again. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Gemworld has done it again. When I tell you that Gemworld is the OG of this channel, thank you so much, Gemworld. Gemworld, thank you so much for that. Gemworld has done it again with the 2000. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gemworld. Guys, let me thank Gemworld. Let me thank her. Please, let me thank her. Thank you so much, Gemworld. Thank you. Yes, if you want to support the channel, just like Gemworld, please go ahead, make use of the super chat, the super like, and the super stickers. You understand? And consider being one of our YouTube channel members. That would be amazing. I really want to go with the sellers now. And it's simply because we have this. Let me read your message. Yes, thank you. Let me thank Gemworld, please. Let me thank her. Let me thank her. And the reason why I want to go with the sellers is because number one, we have an exhaustion candle, and that exhaustion candle is an engulf. Engulfing patterns usually give retracements. That's one. But we have a gap up on a round number. So that's another reason to go with the sellers. You understand? And I'm just seeing this right now. So I'm expecting a red candle. So let's see how that goes. I'm expecting a red candle actually. Because of this, we have an engulf round number. We should have a red candle. Let's just wait for this trade now. It's about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Let's wait for it. I'm expecting that pull to the downside. So let's see how it goes. Let's just wait for it. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. So we have gap up in favor of the sellers. We have engulf. We can have a retracement. And we have round number. Thank you so much, Gemword. God bless you. Curtis Asante, thank you so much. With this size of account, I'll be focused on getting the money up. Yes, yes, definitely. Definitely. Let me quickly check the rest of the setup. I'm still trying to figure out the opportunity here. But there's no opportunity yet that I can see right now. Now, if price comes into this demand area down here, we may have an opportunity to go with the buyers. But for now, there's no opportunity there. Okay. It's an uptrend. Normally, we may have a pullback, but the way the price is going up, I really cannot say. And we need a very high probability trade to take a trade. Now, this is already a breakout. Now, you see, when you have a breakout like this, let me show you something. You can mark this area of resistance, and down here let's check that. Oh, that was a losing trade. That was not a winning trade. Let me show you quickly. We didn't have that red candle I was expecting, but no problem. Let's go back into this place. Let me read your message quickly. Hey, Oluwasegun, how are you? It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining us. It's nice to have you here. Okay, you know what, guys? Let's call it a day. Yes, sir. We really try, sir. Nigeria people go say we don't try. So let's do it like this. By God's grace, we'll be back again in, let me say, about 12 hours. We should be back again. Hey Joseph, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Guys, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and enable the notification bell so that when we start another live, YouTube would notify you that we started so that you can join quickly. You can be one of the first set of people to join. You understand? So thank you so much. We would see you in the next one by God's grace. And thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys learned something. That's the most important thing, that you guys learn one or two things every now and then over time you become very vast. Now, if you want to join the Barter-Pro mentorship, click the Telegram channel link right now, you understand, and send me a message on Telegram. I'll be on Telegram in the next maybe few minutes, so we can meet there and we can discuss about your mentorship. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.